So how are we going to do that if we're stuck in a room or we're on lockdown? Okay, what are we going to bring in the room? We're going to rinse and use salt water and flossing after we eat. After you eat, use salt water and floss. Okay, because you got to get that food out. If you get a brush, you don't really need toothpaste. Toothpaste is just tastes good. You just need the brushing part. You can brush and floss. And food grade hydrogen peroxide. You can buy it like I used to buy it 35%, and then you just divide it, right? You take 35%. You take, let's say you take, this much, and then you take this much distilled water or drinking water. You put them together. Now it's 17.5%, right? You take that, you take equal parts of that, and again you get 8.75%. Okay, you can keep doing it like that and diluting it down. So you want about 5 or 6% in your mouth, 5%, right? So you've done the salt, you floss, and then you do that. Then at least once a day you do oil pulling. You all know about oil pulling. Oil pulling is amazing, and it was practiced in India for centuries. Right? You use coconut oil, and it's 20 minutes. And what it does is it actually dissolves gets rid of the bacteria and gets rid of the plaque, the biofilm. Plaque is from a biofilm. It doesn't allow it to make a biofilm, so you can't get all these problems with it. So if you're doing all this stuff, you're taking care of it. Essential oils, there's different kinds of formulas you can use to make mouthwash. And then scraping your tongue. You all know about that, right? You've seen it. Tongue scraper. So if you're going to date someone, give a tongue scraper. We're going out next week, guys.